Hello all, Select Controls Presence Digital Process Indicator, PIC152A-VI. In this video, we will discuss basic information about PIC152A-VI, its terminal connection, configuration, and applications. The process indicator is used to indicate various process parameters such as temperature, pressure, flow, humidity, rate, etc. It comes with 4-digit 7-segment LED display, which indicate the process value. Provided with 2 LED indications for indicating alarm status, we can also take retransmission analog output. 3 keys are provided for configuration purpose. With universal input, such as thermocouple, RTD, and analog input, makes it feasible to use for multiple applications. It can be operated remotely as it is provided with RS485 Modbus Communication. Terminal connections. It has 22 terminals. Terminal 3, 4, and 5 are used for input signal, which can be either thermocouple, PT100 or analog inputs. Terminals 6 and 7 are for analog voltage output. Similarly, terminals 8 and 9 are for analog current output. Terminals 11, 12, and 13 are used for alarm 1. Similarly, terminal 14, 15, and 16 are used for alarm 2. Terminal 17 and 18 are for inbuilt sensor supply. Plus 24 volt for providing power to transmitter. Terminals 19 and 20 are for auxiliary supply. Programming. Long press right arrow key for 3 seconds to enter configuration level 0. Press square key to select input sensor type, wherein you can toggle between various input sensor type, which consists of J-type, K-type, T-type, R-type, S-type, thermocouple, RTD PT100, millivolt, voltage, and current by pressing up arrow key. Then press square key to select resolution, which is selectable between 1 and 0.1 for thermocouple and, in case of analog input, among 0.1, 0.01 and 0.001 by pressing up arrow key, then press square key. Next parameter is filter time constant, which discriminates between measurement noise and actual process change. If the signal is varying too greatly due to measurement noise, increase the filter value and vice versa. FDC ranges between 1 to 99 seconds. Further, press square key to select display bias, which ranges between -20 to +20. To scale the controller, 2 scaling points are necessary. Each scaling point has a coordinate pair of display value and input value. Scaling point be at high and low end of the input signal measured. Process value will be linear over the entire input range. Example, indicator will display 0.0 at 0 mA input and 9999 at 20 mA input signal. Press square key to set display value scaling point low DSCL as 0 by using up arrow key. Similarly, set input value scaling point low ISCL as for milliamperes with the help of up arrow key. Next is display value scaling point high, that is DSCH as 9999. Next press square key to select input value scaling point high ISCH as 20 milliamperes with up arrow key. Now, reverse scaling when selected yes. For 4 milliamperes input, the display will show 9999, and for 20 milliamperes input, the display will show 0. Set point high limit, SPHL, of input. Similarly, select set point low limit. Press the square key to select lock code. Next parameter is reset, used to set the controller to its default values. Programming for level 0 is completed. Now, press up key to enter into level 1. Press square key to set alarm high limit, then select alarm hysteresis. Use square key to select delay. By using square key, user can select alarm mode. It contains various alarm modes such as high alarm, it turns on when process value rises above a preset value. Low alarm, it turns on when process value falls below a preset value. Band alarm turns on when process value falls or rises above preset range. Then, fail-out alarm, it turns on in case of measurement value exceed and sensor reverse condition. Now alarm latch status. In on condition, the alarm is latched until it is acknowledged manually, even though the alarm condition may have disappeared. Then, alarm hold status. When selected on, it prevents an alarm signal on power-up, and in off condition, it does not prevent an alarm signal on power-up. Then press square key to select relay status for alarm 1. Using up arrow key we can switch between relay energized or relay de-energized. Press square key to select alarm annunciator, whose function is to signal the presence of abnormal conditions by blinking LED. Then press up arrow key to switch between LED and DSP as per the requirement. Programming steps for level 1 and level 2 is same because both levels are being used for alarm output. Level 3 is for analog output selection. Press square key to select analog output type, which can be selected as 4 to 20 mA, 0 to 10 volt, 0 to 5 volt, 0 to 20 mA, by pressing up arrow key. Next, press square key to use manual output. Can set low scaling point -LO as 0 for retransmission, if input is thermocouple and retransmission output 0 to 20 mA. Next is analog high scaling point AHI. For desired output to be 0 mA at 0 degrees Celsius and 20 mA at 500 degrees Celsius. That will be 500. Press square key to select sensor error level. In case of sensor failure, if selected high, the output will be maximum, and, in case of low, output will be minimum. Oven, heaters and boilers. Autoclave. Extruder machines. Plastic processing, food industry, packaging industry, and many more.